Hey guys, how are you doing? This is me, Kong, again from Posh Coaching Classes. Hope you're doing all well. Well, today we are going to start another series in which I will be making you learn English. And on top of that, what is going to happen, I will be giving you the sentences in English and translating that in Hindi as well. So you guys will be able to understand what exactly the sentence is in Hindi, and at the same time you will come to know how to say the same sentence which I will tell you in Hindi, how to say that in English. Alright, so this is just the beginning. We will have lots of videos on the same topic. So let us start. Today the sentences that I am using, or the sentences I am teaching you, they are quite simple. Some of them maybe you will know, some of them maybe you're not familiar to those sentences, but still you will come to know about that, and gradually you need to make sure that you practice those sentences, so that these sentences, mind you, these are the sentences which you use in your daily life, in your day-to-day life. So definitely you will use them, and then it will be easy for you to practice them as well. So let's get started. So let me start with the sentences, and the first sentence that I have chosen for the day is, first I will say in Hindi and then I will translate that in English. So let's get started, guys. So the first one, I have made a note of few sentences here. So the first one is ye sach hai. So that's the Hindi version. I'll repeat it one more time. Ye sach hai. So how to say that in English? We can say it is true. It is true. Let's go to the second one. Ye jhoot hai. I'll say it one more time. Ye jhoot hai. How to say that in English? It is a lie. Again, it is a lie. Then the next one. Ye sahi hai. Ye sahi hai. How to say that in English? This is right. Or even you can say it is right. Next one. Ye galat hai. Ye galat hai. In English we can say it is wrong, or even we can say this is wrong. Next one. Samajh gaye. Samajh gaye. How you say that in English? We can say got it, or there is one more way. You can say understood. Got it, understood. Let's go to the next one. Very common. Kaun hai. Kaun hai. How we can say that in English? Who is it? Who is it? Then the next one. Main kaun hoon. We can say that in English. Who am I? Main kaun hoon. We can say that in English. Who am I? Then kaun hai wo. Kaun hai wo. We can say that in English. Who is that? Who is that? Next one. Ye kaun hai. Ye kaun hai. Who is this? Who is this? Next one. Wahan kaun hai. Wahan kaun hai. Who is there? One more time. Who is there? Next one. Mujhe pata hai. Mujhe pata hai. We can say I know. Simple. I know. Next. Main janta hoon. One more time. Main janta hoon. In English we can say again the same thing. I know. I know. The next one. We can say मैं नहीं जानता हूँ. मैं नहीं जानता हूँ. We can say that in English. I don't know. One more time. I don't know. Next one. क्या तुम जानते हो? क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Again, do you know? Next one. मुझे सब पता है. मुझे सब पता है. We can say I know everything. One more time. I know everything. The next one. वो क्या है? वो क्या है? We can say that in English. What is that? What is that? The next one. मैं नहीं मानता. मैं नहीं मानता. We can say that in English. I don't believe. I don't believe. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? समझ गए? समझ गए? You can say that in English. Got it? Or even understood? Or even you can say, do you understand? So, got it? Understood? Or do you understand? So guys, these were 20 sentences, the most simplest of the sentences in English that I started, and hope you will like these sentences and hope you will practice these sentences as well. This is a very short video. I'm just starting the series, so you can just practice these sentences. You will get to know about all the daily life sentences. I will let you know about all these sentences in the next videos, the coming videos. So please do subscribe to Posh Coaching Classes if you like the video. We make a lot of efforts in making the video. If I tell you the time right now, it's midnight actually. It's 12:30. So AM I'm talking about. So we are making video at this time. So please appreciate our work. Please do subscribe to Posh Coaching Classes, and in case if you have friends or family members who are actually willing to learn English, so please ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. This is me signing off for today. You have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful time, a wonderful day ahead. Keep learning.